Hello, students. Just 2 weeks ahead, you have to appear in men's exam. This year also, so far, I have reviewed more than 1,000 papers after prelims. And what I realized, many students are just quantitatively quantifying the answer. Quantitative quantification means just, providing information, facts in introduction, facts in main body, facts in conclusion, particularly in general studies papers. In past few days, particularly, many senior students, those who have already written mains thrice, 4 times, already, have written tests in different institutions, but they themselves realized and little bit confused also. Sir, everywhere, suggestions are very much similar and I'm not able to improve my score. It's around 100 or below 100, particularly in GS 1, 2, 3. When I did comparative review evaluation of papers of last year, last to last year papers, 23, 24, and what they're writing this year, what I realized is they're just doing, quantitative quantification in the answer. Just quantity in terms of, facts, information, right? It seems that they have prepared a template and coincidentally, everybody is replicating, the same fact, the same template in their answers. Here, I have a suggestion for you. Please try to do qualitative quantification, not just quantitative quantification, rather qualitative quantification. Like in introduction, don't just write information or facts, although you have only 1 or 2 lines to write in introduction in general studies, but try to write the opening line, the first line of your introduction, interpreting the keywords of the question. Suppose you are writing, answer on folk dance. So you can start with, what aspect, what is folk dance, the concept, and then second line, list the different, folk dances in India. Yes, na. Suppose you were writing, yesterday only I reviewed some paper related to paper 2, like question related to problems of textile industry. So I saw the student started answer with some fact, textile production related facts. Question was related to problems in textile industry. So my suggestion would be in one line, outline the problems. The problems of textile industry relates to, right? Just a question related to communalism. So I saw a student started answer with recent incident. I asked कि भाई ऐसा क्यों लिखे हो? तो सर सजेस्ट किया गया है कि कोई recent fact, recent student incident, recent data, है ना, report, है ना, observations. अरे भैया simple start करो. Start with like definition. Communalism refers to, it relates to, and then you can mention recent incident, कोई भी current affairs का incident, right? So I'll suggest you to please change your approach. Don't get into that trap of underperformance. Underperformance like getting 100 marks out of 250, 110 marks out of 250. Yes, no. I don't know, for last 4 or 5 years in general studies papers, marks are declining. And when I analyze and when I look into this ecosystem of training, I realize that like students are suggested just to make a template, factual template actually, in answers. Just hit and run approach, write the facts and run. In main body also, I will suggest you to do analysis. Write the facts, at least in one paragraph, analyze, applying interdisciplinary approach. If you're writing question in paper 1, question related to paper 1, think, something, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4. You will get some points to analyze. Not more, just 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of analysis, right? This exam is not just about, quantitative quantification of your knowledge in answer, rather qualitative quantification. Quantify qualitatively, right? When it comes to conclusion, please return back to the keyword of the question in conclusion. While writing way forward, a lot of fantastic romantic things are written in way forward, right? Try to return back to the keywords and try to, highlight the relevance. If you are suggesting something, then that suggestion must be constitutionally correct, economically correct, legally correct, governmentally correct, within the policy framework. ऐसा romantic suggestion नहीं देना है कि बस like you are talking like a dictator kind, right? So this is. So चलिए ये कुछ suggestion है आज के लिए. Tomorrow I will discuss, some more aspect of answer writing, how to manage, how to write better answer in mains this year. तो याद रखिएगा, qualitative quantification, not just quantitative quantification is expected in UPSC mains exam, right? So this was about GS. I will talk more tomorrow.